Hello, I am Anand Gopalakrishnan and welcome to the fifth episode about Python. In the previous lesson, we learned about the print function of Python. In this lesson, we will be learning about the basic Python operators. The first type of operators I would like to talk about are arithmetic operators. There are 7 arithmetic operators: plus, minus, asterisk, slash, double asterisk, and percent. Plus. The plus sign is used for addition. It adds the two values on either side of the operator. Minus. The minus sign is used for subtraction. It subtracts the value on the right side of the operator from the value on the left. Asterisk. The asterisk sign is used for multiplication. It multiplies the values on either side of the operator. Double asterisk. The double asterisk is used for exponentiation. It takes the value on the left and takes it to the power of the value on the right. Slash. The slash sign is used for normal division. It divides the value on the left side of the operator by the value on the right, and it always returns a float value or a decimal number. Double slash. The double slash is used for floor division. It divides the value on the left side of the operator by the value on the right and takes only the whole number part of it. Percent. The percent sign is used for modulus or modular division. It divides the value on the left side of the operator by the value on the right and takes the remainder. Now I would like to talk about the assignment operators. There are 8 assignment operators: equals, plus equals, minus equals, asterisk equals, slash equals, double slash equals, percent equals, and double asterisk equals. The first one is used for assigning the value on the right to the value on the left. The other remaining operators first perform an arithmetic operation on both the values and then assign the result to the value on the left. Here is an example for the equal sign. The variable a is assigned a value of 4. The variable b has been assigned the value of a, which means that the variable b also has a value of 4. Here is an example for the other assignment operators. In the first line, the variable a has been assigned a value of 6. In the second line, 4 has been added to the variable a and this result has been assigned to the variable a. So now the variable a has a value of 10. In the third line, the variable a has been multiplied by 2 and the result has been assigned to variable a. So now variable a has a value of 20. The other assignment operators, minus equals, slash equals, percent equals, double asterisk equals, and double slash equals, work in the same way as these operators do. Well done! You have successfully made it through the 5th lesson of Python. There are more operators, but we will be covering them in a later episode. In the next episode, we will be learning how to get input from the users using the Python input function. So I'll see you next time.